I think the stars above, I know that we're gonna make it.
Little take over God, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Second verse, I'm telling you I'm ready to go, letting you know.
Alright, welcome everybody back into the channel, or to the channel I should say. All 70 of you out there. I think I jumped up to 70 followers now on my my YouTube channel here. I think I got over 1,000 on my Instagram now, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna keep pushing, and it'd be pretty nice to hit 100 followers on YouTube here shortly. But at any rate, let me show you what I got going on today. We got the GenY Hitch. So I'm going to get this all installed. I thought, I get all the pieces here. So I've kind of done like a test fit, if you will. I had this on the truck, and I've had all the bracing arms and everything on it, trying to figure out how I'm going to get it mounted up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that today. One of the biggest issues that I'm seeing right now, well, for one, this factory bar, it's kind of dirty under here. We got to go to the car wash. The factory hitch right there is all round, so you're really not going to put that on there. So I'm going to have to try to pick the frame up. And as you can see, the Goliath horn blasters bracket goes from frame rail to frame rail. So I'm going to try to pick up these holes here with this brace. That's my intentions anyway, because those arms only come out, so you can only adjust them out so far. So I'm hoping these lines here, these air lines going into the tank, aren't going to be in my way. When I was down there messing with it before, I think I pretty much got it to fit, or had it laid out good enough to fit anyway. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to go ahead and get this hitch installed, and we'll go from there. Let me get some tools and get set up underneath the truck here. We're gonna have to pull out one bolt at a time, holding this Goliath bracket up because I don't want that to fall down and squish me. And see if we can't get these side brace arms up on this thing, because it's gonna need them. This is a crazy hit. This is freaking insane. This is freaking insane. We could actually flip that thing around and run it off the top. I don't know. We'll mess with the setup after I get these arms on there. But for now, let me get some sockets and some ratchets, maybe my impact gun, and see what we can do here. All right, give me just a sec. All right, guys. So I got this thing mounted. It's in there. This is all locked in, tightened down. These will tighten these. You'll roll these to tighten your bars up once you get them adjusted. So now I am doing the somewhat tedious process of getting this thing to look straight. So right there looks like it's pretty straight, side to side. Kind of hard to tell with the stupid pole in the way. Looks pretty straight there, but the bars aren't tight yet, so I haven't taken up the slop out of it. So let me get underneath here, show you guys what I did. Let me get my two 2 pins for the rods, and these are the adjusters for the kit there. These will kind of poke through. All right, hold on a second. Let me get down here. I'll show you guys what I did. So I didn't really have many options, so I just picked it up off the frame, right above the bracket there. That holds the train horn kit. Man, that thing's filthy. I gotta get this stuff cleaned, but I guess that's what happens when you drive the truck every day. Those are gonna fit through there or not. At any rate, so I got the pins through, and now I'm gonna make sure these bars, because I was messing with this stuff quite a bit, so I'm gonna make sure these bars, I'm gonna screw the bars all the way back down, and then make sure they are, I'm gonna count the threads, and again, I don't know if that's right or wrong, but I'm gonna count the threads on both sides to make sure that we are going to be dead on straight behind the truck. But when I put a little bit of tension on this thing, it tightened it right up. I just want to make sure it's all going to be, like I said, straight. You don't want your hitch hanging off one, you know, tighter on one side or moved over. You want all the tension to be, you know, identical. So if you can see, man, this is hard laying underneath the truck. See if you can see the hitch move here. Probably not with me moving the camera. But as I put tension on one side or the other, it moves it to that side, as you would guess it would do. So tightening it up this rod on the right and the truck's left, it pulls it that direction. So basically, I'm going to just pop the pins out, so it's just pins holding it up there now, so I can pop those pins out. I'm going to make sure I'm straight on both sides, and then we'll tension them up together, and that should keep it straight. And I'll show you guys what I got after that. All right, hold on a second, because I'm going to need both hands to do this. All right, guys, check this out. Sorry, typical me. I finish one thing, and then I jump on to the next, and jump on to the next. I really got to get this video and stuff down. At any rate, I say that a lot, at any rate, this thing's all installed and ready to go. So, kids got baseball practice tonight. I had to get the stuff in the truck while he's finishing up school, but there it is. This thing is massive. GenY Hitch. That hook itself is massive. That's what I was talking about in the earlier video. That's been on the truck, and that was only a piece of it. Got the bars all mounted to the truck, to the frame. Obviously, they come down and mount to the drop hitch, and that's about it. Can't wait to tow with this thing. Pretty easy install. I'm going to imagine most trucks that have flat rails for the actual receiver part of the hitch, those arms are going to stretch right up to it. Mine was a little bit different because I got that Goliath train horn mount from Horn Blasters for the SL6 shocker train horns that I have, or air horns, whatever you want to call them. They're just freaking loud. So had I not had that hooked up, they would have bolted right to the frame, because it's basically the bracket sitting on top of the other bracket, and I use the same bolt that's holding the Goliath mount to the bottom of the frame was long enough, and it goes right through the bracket itself that hold these. So those things are solid, they're not going anywhere. And I'm digging it so far. Not quite sure if I'm going to run that low, but it works pretty good as a step to step up if you need to. So I kind of put it down there, And I did a little math wrong because I forgot about that. So I am going to have to order another one of those pins. I needed 5 and not 4, but that'll hold that in there for now. And hopefully someone's not a big enough jackass to come through and steal it, but I don't think so. So that's it. That thing's on and mounted, ready to start pulling. And I think I'm going to try it out this weekend. We got to go pick some furniture up. So I'll get the trailer that's sitting over there, which isn't very big, single axle trailer, all hooked up to it. And we'll see how this bad boy tows. I'll get some video of that over the weekend. Tell you guys how I like to hitch. All right. That's it for me. I'm out of here. Peace. I'm out of here.
I think the stars above, I know that we're gonna make it.
Little take on God, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it.